Cybersecurity is getting more complicated. Threats are multiplying and becoming more sophisticated. Costs are rising. Your networking and security teams only have so many resources. Yet evolving threats are adding unprecedented pressure. Phishing attacks are exploiting end users to breach corporate networks and succeeding. Ransomware attacks are not only stealing data, but encrypting it so the original owners no longer have access. AI is being used to generate malware that looks and sounds authentic. It's no wonder networking and security teams are overwhelmed. To make matters worse, many companies still rely on legacy technologies like VPNs and firewalls that were built for a different era and are now a liability. VPNs and firewalls expand your attack surface, increase the risk of lateral movement, and make it difficult to prevent compromise and data loss. It's time for a modern approach to security with Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange. One that reimagines architecture for today's networking and security challenges, the opposite of firewalls and VPNs. With the world's largest inline security cloud, Zscaler stops threats at every stage of the attack lifecycle. It works by taking the core principle of zero trust seriously. Never trust, always verify. Some legacy security solutions have co-opted the term zero trust, but still make your network vulnerable to compromise and lateral movement. Not Zscaler. Zscaler improves your cyberthreat protection in 4 key ways. 1. Minimizes your attack surface. The Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange platform replaces legacy VPNs and firewalls, hiding exposed IP addresses and ports to reduce your attack surface and prevent attackers from finding you. 2. Prevents compromise. Zscaler delivers deep content inspection at scale, enabling AI-powered threat prevention that identifies phishing attacks, malware downloads, and other threats. Threat intelligence is updated in real time by the 500 billion transactions Zscaler processes every day. 3. Eliminates lateral movement. Because Zscaler directly connects users to apps versus putting them on the corporate network, it prevents risks of lateral movement. Your network is simply used as transport. You can also contain threats in real time with realistic decoys that lure and trap attackers, giving you added protection against lateral movement. 4. Stops data loss. Zscaler helps you uncover shadow IT and risky apps and secure data at rest and data in motion. Across this entire attack chain, Zscaler gives you unparalleled visibility into risk and recommendations for how you can mitigate it. These capabilities work together to give you the most comprehensive threat protection in the industry. Zscaler blocks 9 billion threats and policy violations every day across our 47 million plus users and provides 85% greater protection against ransomware. Stop playing the hacker's game their way and take back the control. It's time for a new zero trust security approach with the Zscaler Zero Trust Exchange platform.